but I'm out here for the Vegas Drift event. It's my first time out here. My boy Marcos brought his Corvette and he invited me to go on a ride along. Look at that. Got all kinds of freedom going on. Alright guys, I'm on my way to go sign the waiver. That way I can do the ride along with my boy Marcos. So you pay $10 to come in, and you pay another $30 so you can do the ride along. We're out here at Vegas Drift. Alright, here to sign for the ride along? Yep. Alright, so this is my boy Marcos Corvette C6. This thing is really nice. He just got done wrapping it and adding these graphics. Badass little lights. Follow him on Instagram. Drift Happy. What's up, bro?
You actually came!
Oh, yeah. What's up, neighbor?
The best part is I run nitrous.
Yeah.
So I keep the street like you guys.
Yeah. A little bit of nitrous.
Yeah. Nice little small shot, so I just need a small solenoid.
Oh, yeah. This thing looks so sick.
It's completely stock. That's 180,000 miles.
180,000 miles?
180,000 miles.
Yeah, that's
completely
cool.
stock. And then I just added a 75 shot of nitrous.
Yeah.
Frank put a little tube thing in there. And seats, hydro, Weissfab, which is the angle kick.
Yep.
And Beast Racing suspension.
Yep.
And that's it. It's a stock car.
That's badass, dude.
AC and everything.
AC and everything still?
Yeah.
All right, we're all about to go. He's gonna be leading. I got my helmet, got the GoPro on. Hopefully this thing stays up. Tipped the bumper, that was crazy. We went wild, holy shit. Dude, that's fucking crazy, dude.
That's insane.
That was insane. Here we go. That shit was insane.
Holy crap.
Fuck, bro.
That was your first ride and that happened.
Dude, this is crazy. So they barely tapped. This is the aftermath. Doesn't look too bad. Let's see what the other car looks like. I need a few more zip ties for that.
Tires. I was on the very last set of junk ass tires.
Yeah. Yeah, they're done. See if I can get some light on them. Yeah, they're good. Yeah, look, you can see metal right there.
We're gonna go do some more.
Yeah.
We'll get this shit patched up and some new tires.
Yeah.
And
Couple more zip ties?
We'll go 100%. We'll go do some more.
Yeah, they're badass,
do
bro.
a better representation.
Oh yeah. Dude. Dude, this thing is it's definitely some fun to do. It makes me want to build one now. I don't think it was a good idea for me to come out here. All right, we're going for round 2. My boy wants to kill these tires before he throws his next set on. So let's do it. Second lap. many passes did you get out of these tires?
How many did we do just now?
Well, I mean,
Two laps.
2 laps?
Yeah, the last one?
Yeah.
So 8 total.
8 total laps. Go through a set of tires.
$250.
$250. $250 worth of smiles, I'll tell you that, because I'm smiling.
You could drive on that.
Yeah, I guess, right?
Still good. Just cut all these off.
So that's a set he went through already, and he's pulling off the second set. And then he has a new set behind the truck right here. Dude, we got a whole llantera behind your truck, bro.
Yeah, ready, bro.
So that's what they look like when they're fresh. This is what they look like once he's done.
All right, we're gonna be going on a ride along with Steezy and his 2J240. Let's get it.
So how much horsepower does this car make?
550.
550?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
520 torque.
Yeah. Dude, this thing was getting it, man.
Yeah, I get it.
All right, going on a ride along in the C5. Seth. Do it. corners at 60 miles per hour is something else, I'll tell you that. It's crazy. Definitely a wild experience out here. All right, Marcos, I appreciate you inviting me to your world over here, the drift world. It's definitely different than drag racing, I'll tell you that. 100%, dude. It was fun.
But it's similar in ways, you know, still a lot of power.
Yeah?
So we're still overheating.
Yeah, still overheating. Still got to let cars cool down and all that.
Exactly. Still
But,
checking tire pressures.
yeah, but hitting a corner at 60 miles an hour is something else, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
You don't want to do that.
yeah, you do that in a race car, it's because you spin it out. That's no good.
And that's scary.
Yeah, that's
And a
scary.
drag car, that's
Yeah,
scary.
dude, that's scary. But
I'm glad you came out.
yeah, thank you, bro. Appreciate it. I appreciate you inviting me. That's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy the content. Check you guys out on the next one. Peace.